Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lacquer Lover, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to paint my BTS outro Ego nail art design. Start off by applying base coat to all of your fingernails. I'm using Unpeel Off base coat, which I always leave linked in the description box. And then I'm going to paint these three fingernails here with a sheer creamy pink, and I'm using Essie's Madamoiselle. I'm doing 3 coats each, and I'm only going to be painting these 3 nails since these are the nails that Hobi has painted on his left hand. And this design is very simple since I'm just going to be taking black polish and writing Ego. The most difficult part of this is that I'm doing it from the perspective of his nail artist, so it's completely flipped. So I wrote this E backwards and facing the opposite direction, so it was kind of a mess, but eventually I did get it to work, and you can see me changing my hand position a lot just to find the most suitable position. And now I'm going to be top coating these 3 nails with glossy top coat, and then I'm going to be applying a layer of matte top coat, or I'm just going to apply matte top coat until it is as matte as I like it to be. Next, I'm going to be painting his right hand design, and of course I'm using my left hand to paint it, which is a little bit more difficult. I'm starting with the same routine with my base coat and then the same base color that I used for my other hand, but this time I'm actually only going to be doing like 2 coats, or you can even do just 1 coat. Either way, it's going to be sheerer than the left hand. And so for the index fingernail on my right hand, I'm going to be using white polish to write out Hope, and this is what he has, so I just followed for the most part the lettering, but I did change it up here and there just because the size of the nail bed is different, so I had to enlarge it and also sort of lengthen it to make sure that it fit. I'm just going to be outlining our lettering with black polish. Finally, I'm going to be applying glossy top coat as well as matte top coat. For our last nail design, which is on my pinky nail, I'm going to be drawing a yellow circle towards the tip, and then I'm outlining the circle with black polish and just drawing a cute little smiley face with its tongue sticking out. And I used a lot of black, and then I just filled it in with color. Last step is glossy top coat and then matte top coat, and that is it for my BTS outro Ego nail art design. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I'll see you guys all in my part 2 for Ego.